Welcome to Headstone Outdoors. We're Jason and Mandy. After 20 years in the outdoors, we're excited to have you join us on our adventures. Whether we're on the water or in the woods, we aim to bring you both entertaining and educational videos. We hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.
We're going to tree stand this afternoon on this green field, and we came over this morning to blow leaves off the green field and put out some feed, check a camera. And when we got here, we found out that the logging they've been doing on the neighbors, they finally got up to our property line. And we're kind of excited because they're hoping these deer come out and check out all that fresh dirt that they just made and come over and find some feed. Maybe they'll get dinner and we'll get dinner too. Stay tuned. So I shot a doe with my bow and waiting on Mason to come over from his stand so we can start tracking, hopefully dragging. I want to do a little pre-track before he gets here, see if I can locate her. I know she didn't go far. I could hear her flopping around, probably not even 20 yards from where I shot her, so let's see if we can find her. I've already spotted her. She did not go to me. I can see the white belly. She is laying right through there. Broke my arrow. But that happens. She wasn't the biggest one in the group, but that big doe would not come out. So I took the shot I had. Hopefully Mason will be here in a second and we'll get her dragged out and get her cleaned up.